Hi there, what's up? In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can convert Zoho Mail to PST. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have Outlook installed so that you will be able to use PST, and this will help you back up your emails for Outlook. So once you're here, what you will have to do is export your Zoho Mail emails using import export, which you can find on the settings. So just look for it, import export, or just import, and then it will show up. So you will just have to search for it properly, and there we go. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will export email, export email, and then you will go to MBAX, and then what you will have to do is you will open your Outlook. So go ahead and log in with your Outlook account. So you have to make sure first that you already have your Outlook account and it's already set up so that you will be able to proceed. And then once you have your Outlook, you will basically just go to file, and then you will click open and export, and then go to import and export, and after that you will choose import from another program or file, and the MBAX, and click MBAX, and then you will locate your exported file, and then follow the prompts to import emails from emails into Outlook, and then finally you will verify all emails appear correctly, and it will and that you will have to save it as PST if needed. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.